Welcome back everybody to DBK Productions. I'm Kev and today we're working on my project B5 Quattro. Before I get working on the rear rotors, I really would like to share some good news with you. So after a month of going back and forward with Finnish Traficom, I have finally managed to register my car in Finland. Also, Audi has gotten some new alloy wheels, and while I'm reconditioning them, I have also ordered a set of new tires to go with them. At the moment I'm taking off the old registration plates and taking care of few spots that I really wasn't happy with. But now let's start working on the rear rotors because they were terrifying and I really didn't feel like adding more power to the car, which I wasn't feeling safe in. I started by removing one of the wheels and sprayed WD-40 on the bolts that were holding the rear caliper and caliper bracket in place. Caliper came off without hesitation by removing two 13mm bolts from the caliper guide pins. Caliper bracket came off with a little bit of battle. It was held on with two 8mm Allen head bolts in arm-destroying wheel well. Then I cleaned the new brake rotor with the brake and clutch cleaner. To make this job a little bit easier, I attached the rotor and held it in place with a wheel bolt. Then I put the caliper carrier back in place and screwed back the bolt with Allen key. The same goes to the brake caliper. I put back the brake pads and slid the caliper in place. Screwed it back tightly and repeated the process on the other side. So, taking a look at the rear brake rotors, they were in really terrible shape to say the least. Just look at what it did to the rear brake pads. So this is going to be all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and you can expect the new wheels and tires in the next one. That being said, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more of B5 Quattro build. See you next time and have a wonderful day.